Welcome back, Nail Queens. I'm so excited to be back from my honeymoon to show you guys all these wonderful goodies. Colorfuly July sent me their Christmas box. I'm sorry everything has been delayed. I've been away from my nail desk because of my honeymoon, but I missed you guys and I'm back and I can't wait for you guys to see all of these wonderful goodies.
Whoa. Why is there so much stuff in here? Whoa! These are so cute! Oh, they're the Minnie and Mickey little stickers. Are we allowed to sell these in the United States? I got questions, but whatever. They got the 3D race stickers right here. Oh. Those little dried orange citrusy slices. Oh, these are so cute. Okay, these are lovely. Makes life a lot easier. These would probably make really good stocking stuffers for like friends who are like into nail art but not very artistic. That's really a neat little addition. Okay. Oh, these are swatch dots. These are nice. I like these. These are swatch dots. A girl can never have too many pearls. I've been using these with my bridal sets for my press-on nail shop, and yes, I love those. Okay, there seems to be like glitters and charms and stuff in here, so I'm like trying to figure out where to start. I'm gonna start with this one because it's catching my eye. Oh, it's a glitter mix. It's like a chunky glitter mix. Oh, that's so fun. Look at that. Got snowflakes, triangle shapes that mimic trees, circles, stars, little different starbursts, circles in different sizes and everything. That is really, really neat. I like that. Ooh, this would be really good for a lot of holiday nail art that requires like a star on top of the tree, because I have actually done nails before where I needed a star. And I end up going into one of my dip powders that have stars in them and just pulling out the piece of glitter because that's the only way I can find the stars. But this is convenient. Okay, this is a really nice addition to my collection of glitter pieces, if I could get it open. Okay. Oh, that's the kind of star that's like my favorite to use for like tree toppers and stuff. Oh, those are cute. This is a really charming box and everything. Oh, we've got glitter galore. So if you guys don't know, glitter typically comes in different sizes. So from larger to smaller, and then you can tell there's different shades of green and different shades of red here too. This one seems to be mixed with different shades. Like that one looks like red and silver, pure red, orangish red, and then that looks like to be a larger red. Different shades of green and also different sizes and blends and everything. So that is really neat, because if you use your own dip powder or gel or acrylic, you can make your own mixes with glitters. You can mix it with whatever the base medium is. So if you're using gel polish, you can mix it with a gel base and make your own glitter. And you can even add pigment in there and everything. So that's really cool if you want to DIY your own thing, or if you just want to use them to create like little accents on nails. So that's really, really neat. Okay, we got more charms here. I am not a big charm person, but I'm going to point out something that I am intrigued about so far that mail's here, I guess. 1 second. All right, I'm back. But what I was saying, if I can get this open, yeah, is what I'm noticing about these charms is there's a curve to them. They're not exactly flat. So they're curved kind of to match with the shape of a nail, which is a really, really nice. Ooh, this is glamorous. This is really, really nice. Okay, hold on. I actually really like this charm, and I'm not really into charms like that. Oh, that's beautiful. That could be a beautiful snowflake. But yeah, all of them. There's a wreath one. Oh, that's a reindeer. Oh, that's a reindeer. That is so cute. Rudolph the red-nosed. Oh, it's not a red-nosed one, but it's a reindeer. Okay, these charms are adorable. Okay, I'm not really into charms like this, but these are cute. This one's a little blingy for my taste. Yeah, this one's curved too. They're all curved. I love that about them. So if you guys are into charms and you want some that are more curved to kind of fit with the nail so they're not sticking up so ungodly, it's like, so it's curved, but this one, since it's such a large like nail surface, it's probably better for a thumb. I don't know how y'all do this. Like, this would get snagged on everything. It's really neat though. Really, really neat. Okay, those are cool for something I don't usually use. There's nail art brushes in here. Oh, these are, okay, 7mm. There's a 30mm. There's a 20, 25, and 30mm. Oh, that's so neat. Hold on. That is so cool. Oh, all those things are coming off. Oh, I'm so excited. This is so exciting. Oh, these are thin handles. Liner, 20mm. Okay, so it's a very thin handle and everything, so depending on your grip, I went with a slightly thicker handle. Just because it's easier for me to hold it, but I know there's people out there who like thinner barrels. It's very lightweight, which is why I was okay with it. But I know some people like thinner barrels and thinner pens and everything, so depending on your preference, you might like these. That is so neat. What else do we have in here? More of the caps. Nail brush cleaner. Oh, this could not be more amazing. I love nail art brush cleaners. I have one from a different brand somewhere floating around over there that I use all the freaking time. It's actually a lot larger than this one. I wish I understood what the ingredients were, so I will say that's one downside. If they're selling this to a US or mostly English speaking markets, that would be one downside, is not knowing what the ingredients are. So I would probably have to take a photo of this, pop it in Google Translate and see what the ingredients are. But I like nail art brush cleaners because they help so much save and keep your brushes in like that pristine, perfect condition. What else do we have here? There seems to be some kind of gel paints. Oh, this box is just like full of amazing things. I need to get this open. Oh, I have scissors right here. Perfect. Oh, this pot is fancy. Solid canned rubber. Okay. Solid canned rubber. I have questions on what that even means. Is this like a rubber gel paint? I don't understand. It's a neon yellow. I thought it would have been a green. I'm gonna have to test this out. Luckily, with being a personal nail artist now and having customers, it's so much easier for me to test out new products because I have so many other people I can do it on. Oh, okay, this looks neat. This is number 51. The other one was number 87. Let's see what color this presents to be. Oh, hello. Oh, that's a beautiful color. Oh, this is so stunning. I love that. That's like a chartreuse green. It kind of matches this. A little bit more on the yellow side, but I like that. I'm excited to try these on my customers. All right, what are you? Nail gel UV soak off. This is arriving in a 5 gram. Why is their packaging so nice? And then there's another seal. I understand the importance of seals, but man, they're so annoying when you're trying to get them open for the first time. I'm just gonna take the whole thing off. Oh, that's a gorgeous color. That is seriously such a gorgeous color. It's like a shimmery color. There's a revitalizing cuticle oil. I am drowning in cuticle oil, so I don't need another cuticle oil. Ooh, nail gel. Well, that's what that one says. I don't know what this is. Oh, whoa. Let's zoom. Oh, hello, gorgeous. That's a stunning red. Yes, I love all the gel polish. All the gel products in here. I remember there was a time I was like, dip powder, dip powder, dip powder. And then I was like, so like not into gel. And that changed for me when I started doing press-ons. And I'm just like so grateful now. When I get gel in packages, I'm like, yes. That's a gorgeous green. I'm gonna set these aside to use on clients. So that's where those swatch dots that I showed you in the beginning are gonna come real in handy. So I can put them either on the top or on the side of the bottle or something so I know exactly what color it is. Because as you can tell, it doesn't stay right there for sure. Ooh, oh. Yes, I love like a golden yellow mustard mango color like this. I just called it 4 things, but I love those kind of yellows. They are my favorite. I'm like wholeheartedly impressed by this box. Ooh, and that's a white. Okay, so white is like the color that I can never have enough jars of or bottles of because it is such a staple in my collection. And now for this final item. This must be the actual Christmas gift. Also, how cute is this packaging? Like the wrapping, it looks like Christmas tree, even though we all know it's like that fancy brown kind of wannabe bubble wrap. I'm not waiting till Christmas. Okay, and here is the gift that we get for Christmas. Socks. Oh, if you are not into socks, I'm sorry for the noise. If you are not into socks, you can give these as gifts to other people. Are these inside out? No. They're not inside out. So you got a snowman, you got a Santa Claus, snowflakes, reindeer. They're nice socks and they'll probably go great with my pajamas for Christmas morning, so I'll definitely be wearing these. They feel like the quality of the sock feels very, very high quality. It's just the artwork itself. I wonder if like the type of fabric or whatever they used, thread to do the design, if it wasn't the ideal one to do it, like that looks great. It's not floofy or anything. The snowflakes look great. Like the snowmen right here look great. It's just the fuzzy part that doesn't look as sharp as everything else. Like this one turned out great. Like you can tell that's a reindeer. But the quality of the socks are actually very, very nice. I'm excited to wear these. So yeah, that was everything in the Colorfuly July box. It's Colorfuly July. Don't know why. But that was everything that they sent me in this box. Like, it's incredible. These gel polish look so beautiful. I think these are gel paints, although it says solid canned rubber, so it might be gel polish, but in a pot, because that's a thing. This definitely is a gel polish for sure. I'm very excited for those super long nail art brushes. All these charms and everything, like, took me by surprise how much I actually enjoyed these charms. I'm not much of a charm girl, but I don't know, it took me by surprise. Where did I put those art brushes? Oh, I put them over here. These. So I'm gonna link all of this box and everything, and if I can find these items on their website individually, I'll definitely like link them and everything. I think this would be the one thing that I think people as nail artists would probably like. I'm all about nail art brushes. I have my own set now, but I still use other nail art brushes too if they come in different millimeters or different thicknesses. Like if I'm doing sweater nail designs on a nail and everything, some nails I need a thinner line and some nails I need a thicker line, so I need a different brush for that. So those things matter to me. All right, so that is everything in this box. I want to say thank you, Colorfuly July. This was so much fun. If you guys don't see me around for a couple weeks, that's because I am out of town and I haven't been able to film and upload. So thank you guys so much for hanging out. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one. Bye.